It's July 2024 and some crazy stuff is happening in the markets and in the world. And while we have those factors going on outside, we can still use techniques to squeeze the most profit out of the markets. Now, I'm Hima Reddy and I use price action, what you see here, right? Candlesticks, the base, the core of market action. But I also look at the speed behind the moves. And I want to show you more about that on Tuesday, July 23rd. So be sure to register for my live workshop where I'm going to dig into the speed behind the moves so you can take advantage of moves like what you're about to see here. So I trade the E-mini S&P 500 futures. And there was a report I published to members where I had an 8:46 a.m. timestamp on the report. The market opened at 9:30 and based off of the low on a 3-minute chart at 5642.5, it traded up right into noon, okay? That was a massive move. Again, the speed behind the move is what helped me be ready for it. Then there was another pullback and yet another move. So if you were trading all day, you would have been able to take advantage of that as well. But I'm not finished. Here, there was speed action telling me, hey, the market looks like it might be going lower, and this would have set you up to be able to take advantage of this downside move, or at least be able to get out of your long trades. So if you've ever gotten into the market only for it to take you out of your trade, stop you out, but then still go in your original direction, or if you've ever been ahead or behind of market turns, but have the right idea, just not the right exact moment to get in, then you're going to want to join this training. So be sure to register, be sure to add it to your calendar, okay? Let your kids, your friends, your pets, anybody know that you're going to be busy with me at that time and join me live. I'm going to have a special gift for those of you who join me live, so you won't want to miss it. And make sure that you take the next steps after you register. We'll send you email reminders. We'll send you notifications. I can't wait to see you there to dig into the speed behind the moves, okay? Think of yourself as a summer surfer, riding the waves, trying to take the most advantage of these actions, and I can't wait to see you there. And hey, once you register, be sure to come back to this video and drop a comment down below. Let me know I'm in, Hima, because I can't wait to see you there and I want to personally welcome you. I will reply personally to every comment down below. So again, once you register, once you claim your seat, because they are limited, come back to this video, hit I'm in down below, and I will reply to you. Can't wait to see you at our event July 23rd. Mark your calendar, and I'll see you there.